Hey everyone, I'm Sumi. Welcome to my channel, The Tadka Project, where I share with you how to make delicious vegan Indian food. Please like and subscribe for new vegan Indian dishes every Sunday. Today I'm going to show you how to make the South Indian classic lemon rice, which is perfect for the summer months. So let's get cooking. So for my lemon rice, I'm going to start by cooking half a cup of white basmati rice. For my video on how to cook perfect rice, please click right here. So I'm taking my cooked rice and just spreading it out on this plate to get rid of any excess moisture and also to make sure the grains are separate. Here I have a pan on medium-high heat to which I've added around a tablespoon of cooking oil. And I'm going to roast around half a cup of peanuts till it has dark brown spots all over. As you can see, my peanuts look completely roasted and I'm going to set these aside for a garnish. Once again, I'm taking a pan on medium-high heat to which I've added around a tablespoon of cooking oil. You can use any oil of your choice as long as it's flavorless. To this, I'm going to add around a teaspoon of black mustard seeds and wait for them to splutter. My seeds are spluttering, so I'm going to add 1 chopped Thai green chili. This is completely optional, but it adds a delicious flavor. I'm also adding around half a teaspoon of chopped ginger. And I'm going to cook this till the ginger turns golden brown in color. To this, I'm going to add some curry leaves and I'm going to toast this for around 10 to 15 seconds. So I'm going to add a teaspoon of urad dal or white lentils and a teaspoon of chana dal. And I'm going to cook all of this till the lentils get golden brown in color. It's been around 2 minutes. My lentils are golden in color, as you can see, and I'm going to add around a teaspoon of turmeric powder. Cook this for 20 seconds, after which I'm going to turn off my element to let everything cool down. Now my contents are completely cool, so I'm going to add around 2 tablespoons of lemon juice and give everything a really nice mix. I'm going to add my cooked rice to this, give everything a nice mix till the yellow color spreads evenly throughout. Salt to taste. My rice looks awesome, so now I'm going to top it with the peanuts that we had roasted initially, give everything a mix, and top with additional roasted peanuts. And that's the finished dish. So this is a super light and refreshing rice recipe and it works perfect for the spring and summer months. It's especially great if you have leftover rice because then it takes no time to put together. So let me know in the comments if you enjoyed making this, if you'd like to see more rice dishes, and I'll see you another time with another recipe. Bye!